Hello, hey, DW's here. I got something here I wanted to fix for you. I have always fixed it, never made a video on it. It's something southern, simple, and I have it a lot for breakfast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some sausage gravy for you. And I got a couple secret ingredients that some people don't think of or use, and I'll show them to you. So we're going to get started here. We got some sausage here. You can get any kind of sausage you want in a roll, or I got some frozen sausage here and some flour. And the gravy is going to be made with the grease from the sausage and one other thing, and the flour and everything. Just kind of like making a roux or any kind of gravy. And yeah, we'll just get to that. It's been a while since y'all seen me, I guess. But anyhow, hope everybody's doing good out there. And good morning, or good evening, good afternoon, or whatever time it is for you watching this. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you them special ingredients DW uses. So stick around. Alright, first thing you want to do is you want you about 5 or 6 patties. You want to brown them down. See how the brown on the skillet there? I've been browning them down for a few minutes there. I flipped them a couple times, thaw them out because they're frozen. Anyhow, you want to brown them down real good. Get you a good font browning down in the pan like that. That's why I use the stainless steel. It's good for, you know, collecting that font and getting your good gravy going on. And then the next step after you cook it, brown it down, I'm going to pull the sausage out and use the flour in there and make a roux or a gravy. So yeah, I got that sausage cooked up, brown down here. There, and got me some grease going on in there. Time for the secret ingredient. Right here. I'm going to put a couple spoonfuls of this in there. I bet y'all can guess what's in there. What do you think? What do you think that I put in there? I'll tell you what, it makes a big difference. That's bacon grease. I don't know what it is, but the sausage grease and the bacon grease makes for a more better sausage gravy. And let's call it sausage bacon gravy if you want. But anyhow, it does. It turns out mighty fine that way. So that is what I always do. Use a little bit of bacon grease in with your sausage. Just believe me. Trust me. I'm going to start out with the all-purpose flour here. Just sprinkle it around in there. You can tell about how much you need. I'm going to start out with two of these big spoons of stuff. And what you want to use to stir that with, you want to use wooden spoon or spatula or high temperature silicone spatula or a whisk. Some people like a whisk. But just as long as you don't use no plastic in there, you'll be alright. And we're going to cook this flour down in there. Anyhow, we got more grease right here. Alright, there. Put a couple more teaspoons in there. I'll probably use a little bit too much flour, so you got to pay attention. But always have a little extra grease on hand in case you booger it up like I did. Alright? Back to stirring. You don't want to burn the flour, but it ain't as bad as making a regular roux because you're not cooking it for 40 minutes. I got it real high heat in there. There you go. See, it's hard to guess. See that font down there, that brown, and the skillet, it'll come out when you put your milk in there. See, I put too much grease in there. I should only put one extra spoonful in there. A little bit more flour. There, yeah. That, I can tell by looking now that that's going to be good. Yeah, that's going to be fine. Yeah, that's about how you want it to look right there. Cooking down. Turn the heat down, DW. Don't want to scorch it. Alright. I wish you could smell that. You can smell it's cooked now. So what I'm going to do is put me in some of that whole milk. Don't be afraid to put too much at first. It's going to thicken up a lot. And turn the heat back up because it's cooled way down. And now I'm going to just stir this in for a few minutes. Yeah, like I said, you can't always think how much of this or how much of that. You just got to kind of eyeball it when you're cooking it. And don't be afraid to fail at this. I failed when I first started cooking sausage gravy. It takes a little bit of time to get used to it. Look, see that font coming off down there? See, out of the bottom of that skillet? Look at that. And that's turning that gravy nice there, but turn the heat down. Just a little bit, because I'm going to put some more milk in there. But look, it's turning into gravy now. And that, like I said, that font, boy, that's going to make it good, real good. It's going to have a brown look to it. It's not going to be a white looking gravy because of all that sausage in there. Sausage. You see it's thickening up now, so you want to put some more milk in it. Put some more milk. And what you're going to need, you're going to need to season it up with some salt and some fresh cracked black. Fresh cracked black. I use a guy that already ground up in a container. I don't have any ground up, so we're just what we're going to do here. Like everybody else, I guess. Put some salt. You do this to taste because after it cooks, it's going to change. Yeah. Let me see what we got cherry right there. See, look at that. It's turning into something. And all that brown's coming off the bottom there, see? It will. It'll all come off. It won't be hard to clean. Because it'll clean it itself. It's self-cleaning. You make gravy, it's self-cleaning. Stainless steel ain't all that bad. You gotta learn how to cook with it. Well, see, it's coming around. Looking good. I might have to give it a little taste. Yeah. Give it a taste for the salt and pepper. See how much? Tastes pretty good. But I'm gonna just put a little bit more. Fresh cut back. That's about right. I really don't need much more. A little more salt. Won't hurt it. Actually, stir it up some more and put some more milk in it. Milk one more time. Oh, and a special ingredient. The optional special ingredient, and I'll explain that. After I put the milk in, stir it some more. Yeah, you can see how much I use there. That's going to be enough. Turn up the heat. There, come on back up the heat. Scrape that bottom real good. Get that bottom going. Yeah, we see we almost got that bottom clean as a whistle. Well, look, it's looking good, huh? What do y'all think? Now here, turn the heat down a little bit. This is my third special secret ingredient, sage. Now, sometimes your sausage has got pretty much sage in it. It usually says sage on the package for the sausage. You wouldn't need any. But this sausage don't have much sage, so I'm going to use me some sage. Sage. Just that much right there. You gotta be careful. Don't you get too much. Oh, I forgot that was the bonus optional special secret ingredient. I forgot to show you the one of the first two ingredients that you gotta use to make it more better. Right, yeah. Yeah. What's this here sauce? That's what Keep Bed Tag calls it. What's your here sauce? Yeah. I'm gonna put you some of that in there. Believe me that, make it more better even. Trust me. Stir that in. And they're cooked, we'll be done, I think. One more taste. Decide if I want to put anything else in it or any more milk. Mmm. That's good. That is real good. Yeah, you could put a little more milk in it, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to leave it just like that. One more minute to cook the Worcestershire sauce in. Because it helps when you cook that stuff in. It does something. I don't know if it's a cooking reaction. And not a chemical reaction. We don't want to say that word. That's bad. Cooking reaction. That's the new word for the week. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this sausage. I'm going to turn the heat off there. Or way down. Let's turn it way down. I'm going to bust this sausage up in there. Bust it up. Bust it up till you think it looks good. You think it's got enough in it. Then the other sausages you get eat by themselves. How's that? Does that look good? I think it does. Alright, I paused for a minute there. I'm going to stir this gravy, sausage in this gravy, and then we're done. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat off. There, you can put more sausage in it if you want. I think I might put one more piece in there. One more piece, and I'm going to eat the rest. One more. Bust it up. Don't worry about your hands, they'll be alright. You'll get over it. There, now, you might think that's too much sausage. I like it that way. And like I say, some like the gravy thinner, some like it thicker, so that's pretty thick right there. You don't want it any thicker than that. You can put more milk in there if you want, but that's why I'm going to serve it up. So stay tuned. Hey, I'm going to show you a new special guest. Alright. Alright, there you go. I got my sausage gravy. What I did is I put a biscuit, broke up a biscuit. See right there? Broke up one biscuit underneath there, and I smothered it with the gravy. That's what you want to do. It's more better with the biscuit, but you don't have to. I like it like that. But anyway, got a piece of sausage there too. More sausage. Take a big old bite. Look at that. Man, y'all got to try that. I know you're going to have to try a few times to get it right. But after you do it a few times, you'll figure out the right amount of this or that you need. Alright? Alright, there you go. DW's special sausage gravy and over biscuit. If that ain't Southern, I don't know what is. I had to make that for you. Hey, almost forgot. We got a special guest here. Yeah, he's a short guy. You know, he's pretty big. His name is Lumpy Galoot. Here you go. Say hi, Lumpy. Hey, Lumpy. Come back here, Lumpy. He's shy. Come back here to the camera. Come here. This is our new mascot. Lumpy Galoot. Pretty thing, ain't it? You helped me cook, didn't you, Lumpy? Anyway, watch it, Lumpy. I'm stepping on you. Oh, sorry. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. And I appreciate all the subscribers that's hung in there over the years. You know, I hadn't made any videos hardly. But I hope to make some more. Anyway, thank you, and thanks to any new subscribers. I plan on doing some videos on that mini camp machine that I got. I did a lot more to it, so I'm going to do a video on the more stuff that I did. Anyhow, stay tuned. We'll have some more cooking videos, and hopefully we'll be out camping somewhere. Y'all take care out there.